Hi guys, we just took the bug to the gas station, got her filled up, and I just added oil to the engine and put in the new filter. It's going to be time to crank it over a few times and try not to start it, and then afterwards start it so that we get some oil pressure in there first.
So there's one of the improvements Spencer made.
Yeah.
He took out the old style, right?
Yeah, we took out the old empty breather can, or the little air breather. It was back there just making a mess of everything, spewing oil all over. I work at Lee Power Steering. We make power steering reservoirs as well as other power steering components. I took one of our reservoirs and special ordered it, and we made it to a catch can. So it's got a -8 coming in either side for the valve covers, and a -10 coming back down to the crankcase and the fill neck. If you look inside the baffle, or if you look inside the canister, it has 2 baffles. Both those baffles are above the inlets and the return, so it should stop all oil from escaping.
So the baffles are like up here.
The baffles are like right here and right here.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
They're like a ½ inch between them.
Hopefully it'll keep things a little cleaner, huh?
Yeah.
I need time to start, well, crank her over a couple times and then start her. It's been a little while. I'm excited. Yeah, she wants to start.
What's that noise?
Wait, feel. Yep.
On that side?
Yep. Carbs must not be seated or popped a line. It popped. Oh shit, wait.
Yeah, no, the carb's overflowing. You hear it?
Yep.
So.
I heard it first. Alrighty. So now you gotta take...
I just gotta take the top of the carb off and reseat it. And
see if that...
it's just gonna be the float just stuck for a sec.
Mm-hmm.
I just gotta pull it up, move it around, have you turn on the ignition, and make sure
it flows.
Doesn't happen again.
Okay.
A little 10 to 15 minute delay here.
Alright, now that that's sorted out, she'll probably misfire because she's flooded, but we'll see. Yeah. Something doesn't seem right.
Yeah, definitely.
You also got smoke coming out of your oil canister. Okay. She's a smoking. quite a lot of, oh, wait up. Is this oil or fuel? Wait.
Huh. What do you see?
What is this? What is this? So you can...
Oh, no, that's from when I changed the oil filter.
Oh, okay.
No, there's smoke coming from everywhere because when I changed the oil filter, the smoke or the
The oil got everywhere.
So. Alright.
She's not happy. She's missing her fish.